Argentine empanadas are beloved worldwide for their unique blend of savory flavor and satisfying texture. These pastries are a testament to Argentina's rich culinary tradition, and making them at home can transport your kitchen into an Argentine bakery. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a curious beginner, this guide explores the essential techniques, ingredients, and tricks for crafting authentic Argentine empanadas. Central to the art of empanada making is the balance between filling and dough. The adaptability of empanadas lies in their ability to incorporate a myriad of ingredients, allowing you to tailor them to your taste. Among the most common filling components are ground beef, onions, green olives, and hard-boiled eggs, accented with spices like chili powder, cumin, and paprika. For a classic beef empanada, you'll require ground beef, a large tomato, green olives, and hard-boiled eggs, combining these elements to create a flavorful and satisfying mixture. The foundation of any empanada is its dough, producing a flaky, tender crust. To craft the dough, gather 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of unsalted butter, 1 large egg, and 1/4 to half a cup of water. This robust dough can be baked for a softer texture or fried for a crisp finish, catering to your personal preference. With mindful consumption, each empanada contains approximately 78 calories, with a serving size of 1 to 2 per person, ensuring enough to savor. Let's delve into the process of creating these delightful pastries. Begin by preparing the filling. Opt for 93.7 ground beef for a traditional beef empanada, starting with heating a pan with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Sauté 1 cup of chopped yellow onion and 1 diced red bell pepper until softened. Introduce the ground beef, cooking until it browns. Season the mixture generously with 1½ teaspoons of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika, finishing with salt and cayenne pepper to taste. Blend in half a cup of chopped green olives and 2 chopped boiled eggs. Once mixed, let the filling cool and refrigerate for about 30 minutes. Next, turn your attention to the dough, opting for homemade or store-bought Goya discs. Roll the dough out and cut into rounds, carefully placing a spoonful of the beef filling into the center of each. Fold the dough to form a half-moon shape, sealing the edges using your fingers or a fork for a classic look. To bake, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the empanadas on a baking sheet covered with parchment paper and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until they are golden and aromatic. This recipe also offers versatility for meal preparation. The filling can be crafted up to 3 days in advance, with unbaked empanadas freezable for as long as 3 months. Store any leftovers in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. By following this guide, you'll master the creation of Argentine empanadas, enriching your culinary repertoire with the vibrant tastes of Argentina. Ready to explore more delicious dishes? Visit our website, link in bio, for further inspiration.